Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 10, Computer Science, 8th class. Students, we are at unit number 3 in which we are studying spreadsheet in Excel. In the table of content, we have seen that we are going to study too much things in this unit. This unit is very long enough to study. So we are studying it slowly. In our last lecture, we have studied a little bit in about this unit, in which we start our introduction of spreadsheet, and then we study what is spreadsheet, then we have studied purpose of spreadsheet, and then we have studied spreadsheet software in Excel. Today we are going to start where we have left our last lecture. Let's continue our lecture where we have stopped, where we have left our last lecture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's students start our today's lecture with, that is about workbook and worksheet. What is workbook? A workbook is a file created by Excel spreadsheet application. Excel workbook consists of spreadsheet pages, each of which can include separate data. MS Excel 2007 workbook is stored with extension .xlsx. One workbook may contain many worksheets. When you turn on your Excel to do your work, the first thing you have seen is your workbook. You may have seen at the bottom of their name sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. When multiple sheets are combined, we name it workbook. Okay. What is worksheet? Worksheet, also known as a spreadsheet, is a single page in workbook. It is collection of cells on a single sheet where user keep and manipulate the data. Worksheet in a workbook can be accessed by the sheet tabs located at the left corner of Excel windows at this location. By default, 3 worksheets are provided in workbook to enter data. More worksheets can be added as and when required in a workbook. Students, I am using MS Office 2016 version. This is the Excel layout. You can see it here. Here are the name of the sheet, sheet 1. In 2016, by default, sheet 1 is open. You can add multiple sheets from here by just clicking here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as much as you want. You can delete it as much as you can. If you do not need extra sheets, you can just delete it. This is called book, workbook, and this is called a sheet. This is a sheet. Here is written a name, book 1 Excel. It means that whenever you open a file of Excel, it is a workbook, and in a workbook there are multiple sheets you can use to perform your work. Okay, let's go back to our study. Okay, now today let's continue our lecture. Excel application window. What I have shown you is 2016 version, and in your book you are going to study 2007 version. User can start Excel program as follows. Click Start button, select all programs, point to Microsoft Office, click Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Excel window appears as shown in figure 3.1. This will be open if you have installed Microsoft Office 2007. In the top, this one is called title bar, in which you have a close button, a maximize and minimize button, save button, and quick access toolbar is here. It is a this one is office button, this one is ribbon tabs. Okay, this is dialog box launcher, and this is whole is a ribbon. When you click any ribbon tab, different ribbon box will be opened. Okay, this is your sheet. Here are multiple sheets already opened, that are 3. This is representing your rows and this is representing your column. Clear? Let's move next. These are view buttons, zoom control, status bar and workbook window. Component of Excel window. The Excel 2007 window is made up of the several components discussed as follows. Number first is Office button. The Office button is at the top left of the Excel window. In 2016 there is no Office button, but in 2007 this one's here is at this location there is a Office button, or you can see it here. This one is a Office button. Next, clicking this button opens a menu of commands. This menu command will be opened. Recent documents can be seen on the right of the Office button menu. Here the recent files will be shown, like if I click here file and I click open, this type of files will be opened by shown by the of figure 3.2 shows Office button menu with commands. These are the commands and this is the recent spreadsheets location. Save, open files, open, save as, print. There are too much difficult words to they are all are blurred. Send, close. I'm not able to read these words. There are two more buttons at the bottom of this menu. Title bar. Next to the Microsoft Office button is the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar gives access to frequently used commands. By default, save, undo and redo based on the Quick Access toolbar. Students, there is a mistake in the printing. This name should be here and the Quick Access toolbar should be here. So you have to change it. This is the Quick Access toolbar. It is located at the top of the Excel window. On the title bar, Microsoft Excel displays the name of the workbook currently used. This ones. Or in 2016, this ones. This is the title bar, the top of the software. User could see book 1 Microsoft Excel at the right side of the Quick Access toolbar of Excel window. On the right side of title bar are three control buttons: minimize, restore or maximize, and close button to control the window. These three buttons. Students, please do remember that title bar definition is this one and Quick Access toolbar definition is this paragraph. So you have to remember this. The ribbon as shown is located below the quick. On the ribbon are and each tab is divided to related. Ribbon, see, you can buttons we in Excel. The ribbon tab. So students, we have studied our introduction. In today's lecture we have studied workbook and worksheet. What is workbook, what is worksheet, and then we have studied Excel application window, in which we have studied component of Excel windows. So in the component of Excel window we have studied Office button, Quick Access toolbar, title bar and ribbon. And with this our today's lecture has been winded up. If you have any issue or question, let me know. I will help you. Until you do not tell me, I will not able to help you. I will meet you in next lecture. Till that, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.